Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about a very common error with AirPods. Maybe you want to use your AirPods on your laptop, on your Windows 10 laptop. You pair them using the Bluetooth connection, but they won't connect. You cannot use them. So what can you do in this situation? So there are two known solutions that work in this case. First of all, what you should try is go to the search box and type in here control and click on the old control panel. Then on view by, select large icons and then go and select sound and click on sound, of course. And here on playback, you should see your speakers, your normal with laptop speakers, and then you should see your AirPods. What you have to do, just go and select your AirPods and click on. So this will set your AirPods as a default speaker, and your laptop will automatically use your AirPods when connecting them and not the default speakers from the laptop. And another solution that users said it works is to go to the search box and type in here Regedit, and you're going to see registry editor. Right click on it and run as administrator and then click on yes. Then go to H key local machine expanded, then system, and then go and expand control set 001, then control, then class. Expand this a bit because these are a lot of files with weird names, and you should locate a file that is called E0CBF06C. So here, what you have to do, just go to file, just go to right click and click on new, and then go to new and go and select string value. The string value name should be PNP capabilities. Save it like this and then double click on it, and the value data, set it to 24 and then click on OK. Exit out of Regedit, restart your system, and you should be good to go. So guys, I'm hoping that this video helped you and you managed to fix your problem with AirPods not connecting to your Windows laptop or whatever device you're trying to connect your AirPods to. Of course, a Windows device, because that's the purpose of this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel down below so you won't miss any future uploads like this. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, take care.